సార్ జరగదు
Class boys, sit on the road. Wait until I call you. Yes, get up. Don't tell everyone to get up. See, they will run. Many leaders. 9th class boys go back. Sit down, boys. No, sit down. Sit down. I call you. Okay.
They bring out hidden talents which are held in me. I'm really happy for that. And I hope there is 99% of home is going to fly out of your hearts because of this great Freshers Day. So be ready for that. And I'm very thankful to my dignitaries, principal sir, to give me this wonderful opportunity to express my feelings about this greenwood. I hope. Thank you so much.
Here, first of all, my dear freshers, welcome to the freshers party. I'm over here to express my feelings in my 2 years journey, 1 year journey. This is the second year. Really, I had a great year here. I learned many qualities here, like leadership qualities and a good handwriting and communication skills. And I am proud of modern. Everybody cares of us. They cared about me, caring our basis properly in our studies, and in every aspect they helped us. Last year, I am also a fresher like you. I sat there like you because I did not leave my parents that many days. But later I realized I was here for a good cause to myself and good academic year in this Greenwood. Thank you.
To each and everyone who are here in front of me. Smile on their faces. Till now I did not see. Till now I have seen. Okay, live about all. I think as your senior hereafter after this Freshers Day, isn't it? Okay, before we start the program, just take me 1 or 2 minutes, and I hope really who made us to sit here. One is our director, sirs. I felt very tense that it may rain. Second Freshers Day, third Freshers Day, like that. So, the first feeling generally will be a question arises in the child. Why my parents brought me and kept in a residential. ఒక మంచి కారణం కోసం పంపిస్తున్నారు, ఒక మంచి ఆశయం కోసం పంపిస్తున్నారు. మీ ఆల్ రౌండ్ డెవలప్ with their vision. They want to see you develop in each and every aspect, each and every area. Because of that, they have placed you in the green. So we have to thank our parents to develop ourselves and do some service to our country in the coming days by reaching a very good position, children. Once again, on this precious day, on behalf of all the Greenwood family, children for their development. I thank once again all the parents. Conclude that, and we are going to stick on to that with the help of all the teachers, leaders. Definitely, we are going to make coming years very wonderful years in our life. And now, I would like to request our Chief Administrative Officer, Mr. Prabhu Kumar Garu, to please come on to the dais and address our gathering on this smiling day. Thank you very much.
ఈ సాయంత్రం మనమంతా ఇక్కడ గ్యాదర్ అయిన కారణం మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఆల్రెడీ వెనకాల స్టేజ్ మీద ఫ్లెక్స్ కూడా బిగించారు. వెల్కమ్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ 2014 టు ద గ్రీన్వుడ్ ఫ్యామిలీ. శ్రీ చల్లా ధర్మారెడ్డి గారు అండ్ శ్రీ భరద్వాజ నాయుడు గారు, both directors are going to join with us in a short moment. Meantime, we will start our program. Once again, I thank Madam Padma Sri Garu and Jyoti Madam Garu for coming over here.
స్వాగతం
దీనికి స్వరకల్పన మ్యూజిక్ ప్లే చేస్తూ